We're working on the live oak project this morning, and so we've got the lift set up, and we're getting ready to start installing some windows. So here we go.
I'm just cleaning the pudding.
So the one that's the second row up, we'll put both of those in today, and then I'll have those 4 little openings. And fixing the solder joint that I forgot to solder at the shop.
And I don't know how we missed that.
Yeah, well, you know what? There's like if you counted them, there's like 900 solder joints here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna guess how you missed it.
But things happen.
Things happen, and you know. How you doing? I'm hanging out right here on the scissor lift, getting ready to go topside. Just have to get the metal that's in that bundle right there. I need that. Yeah, just feeding forward as I go. Here we go.
I love the way that the branches run through the tree. It looks beautiful.